Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy and delicious French spice bread that is quick to make because it doesn't involve yeast, and also it is perfectly sweet with honey instead of sugar. Let me show you how that is done. The first I'm going to actually put together the dried ingredient in a big bowl. This is 250 grams of all-purpose flour and 100 grams of almond milk. Mix it well so it's all well combined. And rest of the dried ingredient. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of mace. If you don't have mace, just use the equal amount of nutmeg and allspice together, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Set it aside in a bigger bowl. This is 1 stick of butter melted and slightly cooled, 1 cup of honey. Mix it very well until it's well combined. That looks good. 1 cup of whole milk. Mix it very well until the tomato is well combined. And next you are going to put orange peel. And put some, this is fresh ginger. And some candied ginger, well minced. Lastly, 2 eggs. Pour all the dry ingredient into wet mixture. Mix it until it's well combined and there's no flour. Okay, it's well combined. I already prepared 9 by 5 loaf pan and well buttered. And then put some parchment paper in and then pour everything in here. And then I preheated my oven at 325 Fahrenheit. And then it's gonna actually bake in a middle rack in the center for 60 minutes. Just spread evenly on the top. And then that's all you need to do. Put it in the oven and bake for 60 minutes. And then we will insert the toothpick in the center around 60-minute mark to making sure that inside center is cooked and then there's no wet part coming out with the toothpick. The bread baked really well. How it smells amazing. It smells like holiday spices. I can smell ginger, cinnamon, and some nutmeg as well, like mace. So it took almost 70 minutes to fully bake. After it's fully baked, I took it out from the oven. I kept it in the pan for 10 minutes. And then after that, I take it out from the pan, let it cool in a wire rack for almost an hour, and I think it's time for me to taste it. So let me cut it. Yep. It looks dense, it's still warm. And then you can see all the crystallized ginger, the fine minced ginger in the bread. It smells amazing, cinnamony, and also sweet smell as well. Let me taste it. It's really nice. It's not overly sweet at all. The honey adds a really nice sweet taste. The minced ginger, the crystallized one, also kind of give like different type of texture. Because I use the 3 different type of ginger, it has very strong ginger flavor, but it's not overpowering. I can taste cinnamon. I can again taste the like you know, the good sweetness going on. And then overall, this is very pleasant cake. It's really nice as it is. I think that it's gonna go well with the butter as well. And then for sure that it's gonna go really well with the coffee or tea. So I hope you enjoy my video. When you try my recipe, let me know how it goes. And then if you substitute any of the ingredients with any other spices or dry fruit, let me know how yours turn out as well. Until next time, happy cooking and baking. Bye.